Actress and evangelist Eucharia don't want people, those of now where they take alcohol. Say, oh, now no go make heaven no. Say, if now continue to dey drink this heaven, you know be place for now. And I find a surprise. Since when they write this one inside Bible, say if you start to dey drink, you know go make heaven. But she dey focus this one on people where they take this alcohol like water. So some people go carry this thing, they drink them anyhow, they no go even reason am. And say don't dey inside Bible, say if the thing can't damage your liver now, you can't come outside, they say make they do fund me for you. That one I made they help you raise money. Say she no dey inside. Say you don't dey inside Bible now. Say God don't talk. Say if you know say you dey over drink, say as e be, you no go make heaven. Say now hell, now be your position. But people beg, make una follow me watch.
Fall and you be talking anyhow. You will see alcohol, you will drink it and want to finish it. Then when you damage your liver, next thing you will come and say we should do fund and me. For you, we should raise fund for you. Meanwhile, you are the one that used your hand to carry the bottle of Hennessy or brandy or beer to be shaking. God said drunkards, revilers, extortioners. He said they will never and shall never enter the kingdom.
If like say this evangelist, she dey speak out of experience. I sure say maybe person come my house, she can't give the person drink, but the person come over drink am. I sure say now wetin vex her now wey be say she can't come outside, they talk this one by force. Because I don't understand. In fact, sister, I love this your preaching. The way you talk am, it dey nice. But I go to be this dressing. You can't dress like cultists, black on black. Now like these pastors now they dress because I don't even understand. Even this makeup alone, if you even pursue person, you enter hell. Because what we even do is even serious. I never see pastor where they preach. Force in face, be like, can't even they do everything by force. Auntie, I should say, if say you talk this thing jejely, calm down, use calm voice, talk and say, okay, people are beg go. Drinking of alcohol too much, you know good. If it lead you to, if say you talk and well, I should say people will listen. But the way they talk and by force, I should say now waiting make people they para, they talk say, why be say you can't the first? I been at the choker way wear for neck. Maybe now waiting make your voice can't tick because I don't even feel reason now. But make we know like this thing where this woman talk now true. Too much of drinking now waiting they cause all this sickness. Fine, some people they talk say some people know they drink except they sick. But this one now she they put them in the context say it no good. No be say no too, but too much of it no good. So if now one drink and make na they minimize them. We know say now God now change water to wine, yes, but you know talk say if now one drink, make na drink to stupor. Make na at least drink with limit, drink with your sense. No don't say go drink, go enter gutter, they misbehave, they do all this kind. I trust now waiting she just won't talk. I trust now waiting she get for mind to talk. Now waiting make her come out, I can't do this video. Not be about the way where she can't do and by force, by fire, aggressive preaching where she can't do. And in fact, auntie are surprised. You will be say when you dey act film, I know this woman hot pepper soup. The kind things where she dey even do for movies, I surprised saying now she can't decide to give her life to Christ, can't change, they do all this kind of preaching. But your preaching no enter your face side. Because for some churches, this whole makeup where you do now sin. So I'm surprised say for your own side now, this whole heavy makeup and cement where you put for your face, it no be anything for you. Anyways, now your church, so I know say maybe as you reason as you don't preach this one, maybe later say if you go still come out, I can't preach say makeup no be soon. You got your own reason. But I beg this one we should talk now to people where they drink, make now they careful. Make now they work as now they drink, make now they drink with sex, make now no go overdo things. My people I beg, I hear this story as make I bring and come, make now say reason now here what they happen. Anything I feel about this matter, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. CBN governor don't come outside. Can't talk about the claims of people who be say that they talk say the Nigerian bank now say it dey in distress. E get one time when news they trend say as it be like this, so it be like say banks where they inside Nigeria, it be like say they don't they shake. And as people hear this one, and everybody begin rush go their bank, go they withdraw their money. Say they won't collect their money because they don't want to hear stories. This bank don't go bankrupt, that be something don't happen. Now this CBN governor where name now Godwin Emefiele don't come outside come talk say all this one where they try say everything now fake news. Say all this one nothing like that. They even shell it. My people beg, make now follow me watch.
Let me say that all those social media messages going around are all fake and indeed are fraudulent, and the CBN is currently doing everything possible to trail those perpetrators who intend on creating problem to create banking system instability. We will, by God's grace, unravel who they are and we will announce them, bring them to the public if we find them. But I want to say that, and I repeat, that the strategic health of the Nigerian banking industry remains very, very strong. For instance, at today's meeting, data was provided to Monetary Policy Committee members, and I will say we review the financial soundness indicators of the Nigerian banking industry.
I hope say this man now don't clear on a doubt, because he don't talk and now say nothing like that they even happen. Say even surprised say now social media now they can't use they spread all this kind of fake news in which them will even be back. They don't even come outside, can't talk anything, say that they owe be something they happen to the bank. How be say social media now can't be the bankers, so be say they can't begin spreading this news. And this one I say in fact people where they involved in spreading of this news, say as it be like this. If they catch anybody, in fact, you go face the panel. Say as it be the two way now do it don't vex them. Now they won't talk. Those of now when I know say now go write anything about this whole bank being in this state, now better put that post down. Because as it be like this, in don't talk come out to anybody where they catch, they go use now do scapegoat to. They go bring now out and they go even use. Because this one now, they don't talk, say, no be them talk them. And see as everything be the bank health, they okay. Say in fact, everything they very strong. Say their financial status, they very, very okay. And since when this thing don't even, they always monitor them. If now watch the video where now go see say they mention all the calculations. Say that they always monitor all these kind of things. So know how it be say the country bank will come they shake. They know about them. So make people calm down. People don't stop to the bank. People don't come out their money. Make they go back, go they put their money there because nothing like this they happen. But I hope say this one when Mr. Godwin talk. I hope say this one when he talk now true. Because now our Nigerian people now they feel they hide something. Later now we'll come here say they don't change the bank name to another thing. I hope say this one will come as I talk now true. And I feel say this one self now another means to end social media. And I know say Twitter still there on standby, they never see that one do. Now when we say people now can't carry they spread fake news again for other social media like Facebook and Instagram. This one now they will come use them as another excuse to come close them down. In fact, now we they spoil our own thing. And my own any decision when I won't make when I know say the country go better, making a do. But if you now know say this banks they in distress, making a talk and now make people know say yeah, so this thing don't they get kata make they go come their money. We no one can hear story that touches. Later now come the talk say now mistake I mean this one. Now I make people now don't come outside they talk and you don't come outside use your mouth talk proof say nothing like that they happen. My people I hear this news as make I bring and come making I say this na ear here what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make not forget to write them for the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.